Right, my dear friends? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, in previous class, I explained what is scanf. Am I right? Now, today I repeat the same. Scanf is a generic function. Why? Why? Because it can read any type of data. It can read character, it can read integer, it can read float, it can read double. Whatever the data it may be read by scanf function. So scanf is a generic function. By using scanf, we can read multiple values at a time. Suppose you want to read 10 numbers, you can read 10 numbers at a time. So multiple values at a time by using scanf function. What is the meaning of scanf? Scan means scanner, F means formatted. The meaning of scanf is scan formatted. It can read formatted data, formatted input. It always connected to input device, not the output device. Now it is about a scanf function. Syntax of scanf. First of all, you have to write scanf. Then you have to write format specifiers. What is that? Format specifiers means %d, %s, %c, like that. These are called as format specifiers. D means decimal number, S means string, C means character. By using this scanf function, I am going to read a number, a string, a character. That is the meaning of this one. And store the result in RNO, roll number variable, SNAME variable, gender variable. So I read the data by using scanf like this. Right. Now I am going to explain what is printf function. What is printf function? Printf. Printf function is also a generic function. It is also a generic function. It is a generic function. Why it is called as generic function? Because it can print any type of data. It can print any type of data. At a time, you can print multiple values also. It can print, it can read, not ready. It can read multiple values. It can print multiple values at a time. Multiple values at a time. Now, what is the meaning of printf? It stands for print formatted. It stands for, what is the meaning of printf? Print means print. F means formatted. Print formatted. It can print formatted output. Formatted output means you can print the data using format specifiers. Then it is called formatted output. Now, next one. It always connected to output device. It always connected to which device? Output device. Now, what is the syntax of this one? How to write printf? It is as same as scanf. Only the difference is it doesn't have ampersand symbol. That's it. Now, what is the syntax of scanf? Printf. Printf. First, you have to write format specifiers. Format specifiers. Then you should not use ampersand. Remember that. Directly you can write variables list. List of variables you have to mention here. Now I am giving an example. I want to print roll number, student name and gender. Then how to use that? Printf. Roll number means integer. So %d. Give some space. After that, you have to print a student name. Name means string. So %s. Give some space. After that, you have to print the gender. Gender means character. %c, comma. You have to get the data from roll number, S name, and gender. Now, printf function always executed from right to left. You have to remember this. Printf function It always executed from left to right or right to left. Right to left it will be executed. From right side to left side it will be printed. First it get the data of gender and substituted here. After that it get the data of student name substituted here. After that it get the data of roll number and substituted here. So printf always executed from right to left, whereas scanf always executed from left to right. It always executed from left to right. Scanf executed from left to right, printf executed from right to left. This one you have to remember. Now in printf function, after printing the data, it tells how much of data was get printed on screen. How much means in terms of bytes it will tell. So after printing printf function tells us how many bytes of information gets printed on screen, right? This is about printf function. Here in scanf function, after reading the data, scanf functions tells us how many elements gets readed. Scanf function tells us how many elements gets read. It is the two things you have to add here. It is the two. This is the remaining part, right? Try to note on this. In all the programs, you have to use scanf and printf. Without reading the data, we cannot manipulate the data. We cannot generate the output. So printf and scanf is very, very important functions in C language. You should be clear about these two. Is it completed? After completion, please tell me. Yes. Now, can I go to next topic? Now, till now, we came to some important topics in C language. Now, to manipulate the data, we required some tools. Those tools are called as operators. Now, I am going to explain you what are the operators available in C language. Next topic is operators. Right. See this. Here I will give you an example. 5 plus 2. A minus B. T into 7. Now it is an expression. It is an expression. It is an expression. On board you can find 3 expressions. Now in first expression, what is the operation I am carrying?
Sum.
Good, sum. In second expression?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Third expression?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Good. To perform the operation sum, I used one tool. What is the tool name? What is the tool I used here? To perform addition operation, we have to use one tool. What is the name of the tool?
Sign, plus sign.
Plus. Good. Plus is a tool. To perform subtraction, we have to use in minus. To
Sign.
perform multiplication, I have to use star symbol. These are nothing but operators. What are those? These are nothing but operators. Now, operators are nothing but the tools. Those are used to perform the operations. Those are used to perform the operations. Now, what are the operators I used here? What are the operators I used in my example? Plus, minus, and into. Now, you perform the operation on 5, 2, A, B, T, and 7. On which you perform the operation 5, 2, A, B, T, 7. These are called as operands. What are those? These are called as operands on which we are going to perform the operations are called as operands. Now, this is about operators and operands. Now, what is operator? What is operand? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Right. This is about operands. Now, operators and operands. Now, I am copying this diagram from here and going to paste there. Right. Now, here tell me what is operator, what is operand? Operator. What is operator? I already explained. It is a tool, just like as wrench, just like as screwdriver, just like as cutting plier. These are the tools to make a repair to bike. In the same manner, here we are using the tools to perform the operations. It is a tool which is used to perform an operation. Now, what is operand? Operand. Operand may be a constant. 5 is a constant, no? 2 is a constant. A is a variable. B is a variable. T is a variable. 7 is a constant. So, it may be a constant or variable, or both. It may be a constant, or it may be a variable, or it may be a mixed also. Now that is nothing but operand. Now, how many types of operators are there in C language? Types of operators or classification of operators. There are actually 9 types of operators available in C language. Again, we can classify into 3 types also. 3 types and 9 types, both are correct. What are the 3 types? What are the 9 types? I will explain. Based on number of operands used, you can divide this into 3 types. Now, 10 plus 5. Plus operator works on how many numbers here? 1 number or 2 numbers? 2 numbers. If an operator which works on 2 operands, then it is called as binary operator. Suppose minus 10. Minus operator works on how many operands? Only single operand. Then it is called as unary operator. Unary operator, binary operator. If any operator works on more than 2 operands, then it is called as ternary operator. Ternary operator. So based upon these number of operands used in this expression, we can divide the operators into unary, binary, and ternary. Now, here I am going to explain the general type of operators. Those are 9 types. So, C language provides 9 types of operators. One is arithmetic operators. Second one is logical operators. Third one is relational operators. Fourth one is bitwise operators. Fifth one is increment or decrement operators. Increment or decrement operators. Sixth one is assignment operators. Seventh one is compound operators. Eighth one is conditional operators. Ninth one is special operators. In this way, the operators are classified into 9 types. What is the first type? The first type is arithmetic operators. Now, I will read some formulas. What is the formula to find simple interest? PTR by 100. Am I right? Right. What is the formula to find the net salary? Net salary equal to basic salary plus house rent allowance plus direct allowance minus provident fund. What is the formula to find A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. What is the formula to find A square minus B square? A plus B into A minus B. These are nothing but formulas, simply called as arithmetic expressions. What are those? Arithmetic expressions. To evaluate these arithmetic expressions, we used some tools. Those are called as arithmetic operators. The operators, those are used to evaluate the arithmetic expressions are called as arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Is it okay? Example, we know all these. Example, plus operator, minus operator, into operator, by operator, modulus operator. It is new to us. Plus, minus, into, by, all of you know, it is new operator in C language, that is percentage. It is not percentage, it is modulus operator, simply called as mod operator. It gives a reminder. What is this? It gives a reminder, right? I will write some programs on this. First program is write a program to read a number, comma, find the last digit of given number. Suppose I typed 125. Now what is the last digit here? 5. Your answer is 5. You have to find the last digit of given number. That is the program. Now see here. Right. See, I will give an example before writing the program. Using this, you can find how to find it very easily. Now see this. My number is 125. Right. Divide this number with 10. Divide with 10. Right. Divide this number with 10. Now, this 10 will go how many times in 125? It goes 12 times. Now, 12 is nothing but quotient. Am I right? 12 tens are how much? 12 tens are 120. Now, 120. 125 minus 120 equal to how much? How much? 5. Now 5 is the remainder here. See, actually 5 is the last digit now. When we divide a number with 10, we will get 5 as last digit as remainder. Now to find the last digit, it is the formula remainder equal to number mod 10. Modulus operator gives remainder, by operator number by 10. By operator gives quotient. If you want 12, you have to use by operator. If you want remainder, then you have to use modulus operator. What is the formula to find the remainder? Last digit. To find the last digit of given number, remainder equal to number mod 10. It is the formula. You have to byhead this. You have to byhead this. Now, write a program for this. Right. Here, how many variables I have to create? So I have to read a number. After that, I have to find the last digit. Last digit is nothing but remainder, no? So I have to create two variables. Two numbers. Numbers means integers in C language. Integer. What is my first variable name? Number. What is my second variable name? Remainder. First of all, you have to type a number. How to read a number here? Printf. Enter a number. Computer is asking to enter a number. See, computer, how to talk with you. If computer want to talk with you, it print the data on screen. Now execute this program. This will be printed on screen. See, computer asks to enter a number. Then you should type a number. That should be readed. How to read the data? By using scanf. Here what we have to read? A number. Number means integer. Integer means percentage. D is the format specifier. After reading the data, we have to store in a variable NO. So ampersand NO. What is a variable here? What is the meaning of variable? Variable means a container which is used to store the data. I have to store a number. I have to store the last digit. So I created two variables, means two containers. Now I have a number. After that, what I have to do? I have to find the last digit. What is the formula? Remainder equal to number mod 10 is the formula. Now you find the last digit. After finding, you have to print it. How to print the data? By using printf statement. What you are printing here? You are going to print last digit. So last digit equal to percentage D comma. Where is the last digit? In variable remainder. Right. Now I already explained one thing. What is that? Printf always executed from right to left. First of all, it fetches the data in remainder. What is there in remainder? It contains data 5. That will be substituted here. The value of remainder will be substituted at percentage D place. Now it becomes last digit equal to 5. It is the answer. Now type this program. My number is 125. What is my last digit? 5. Got it? Is it clear? How to find the last digit of given number? It is the output. Right. Now I am giving one more example. Now repeat, execute this program again. My number is 1547. Now what is my last digit? 7. 7 is the last digit. Last digit equal to 7. Got it? What is the formula? You have to remember the formula. You have to byhead the formula, right? Formula is remainder equal to number mod 10 is the formula. In which app you are running program? Good. Its app name is code blocks. Code blocks. Or you can directly run in internet also. You can use one application that is known as this one. Jdoodle. Jdoodle app. Jdoodle, it is the app name. Jdoodle.com, online web. Scroll down. Here select a C language. Here you can practice C language, Java language, C++, Perls, Python without downloading and without loading your softwares. It is online compiler. Select C language. Here you have to type the data. Here you have to, inside this program, you have to type your code. Now I will copy the code from there. It is the code now. I am copying there. Right. I am copying here. Now computer read a number, no? That number should be provided here. Standard inputs here, whatever the number you want to type, that should be typed here. 125. Now execute this program. See, last digit equal to 5. Got it? Suppose my number is 1253. My last number is 3. No. Now execute this program again. Last digit equal to 3. Now you are not entering the number, no. So better to remove this line in online. In online, don't use this line. Enter a number, enter a character, don't use. Without this line, we have to read the data directly. Why? Because it is online. Now execute this program. Now the last digit equal to 3. In this way, you can run your application without using any software. Directly you can run in your mobile also. What is the software name? Jdoodle. See this, jdoodle.com. Is it okay? Now, my application. This is my application. I am copying the code. I am pasting here. Right. Now, note of this. Note of the topic operators. Vishnu, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Deepak Kumar,
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
good. Srihari, what about Srihari? Kotta versus Srihari. Can I scroll down? After completion of writing, please tell me. Good. Now, see, this is my second program I am going to give as homework program. Write a program to read a number, print or find the last 2 digits of given number. See this, if you divide a number with 10, you can get last digit. If you divide a number with 100, then you will get last 2 digits. Then the formula is remainder equal to number mod 100. Now are you getting last digit or last 2 digits? Last 2 digits equal to remainder. When you divide a number with 100, then you will get last 2 digits. Now 1248, what are the last 2 digits here? 48. Got it? Can I write this program at home? Just instead of writing 10 here, you have to write 100. That's it. Can you write this program at home?
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. That's the spirit. Now, one more homework program. write a program to read a number, comma, find the last 3 digits. Then what to do? Tell me. What to do here?
Take 1,000.
That's it.
100.
Right. Instead of 100, better to write 1,000. That's it. Now you will get last 3 digits. Now you have to by heart these formulas. Right. My number is 12,571. Now my last 3 digits are 571. Got it? In this way, we have to find the answer for this. Right. Now write down the 2 questions here. Write down the 2 questions and leave some gap. It is also homework program. Write down the question, second question, leave some gap. Write down the third question, leave some gap. Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Right. After completion of writing, please ping a message so we can avoid the wastage of time. Now, fourth program is write a program to read a number, comma, remove the last digit. What is my program? Suppose my number is 127. We have to remove the last digit. Then number becomes how much?
12.
12, right? So if your number is this one, your answer should be this one. That's it. You have to remove the last digit. See here, my number is 125. If I remove the last digit, my number becomes 12. That is nothing but this one, no? Quotient. 12 is the quotient. Now, how to get the quotient? Tell me. Number mod 10 or number by 10? To get this one, you have to use by operator or mod operator. To get 12. To get the quotient, you have to use by operator. Now, after removing the last digit, it should be restore in number. So, number equal to number by 10. It is the formula. You have to remember by heart this one. How to remove the last digit of given number? What is the formula? Number equal to number by 10. Now, write down this program. See here. First of all, we have to take a number variable. By seeing this formula, how many variables I have to create? Identify them. Just I used only number. So I am creating only one variable number. How to read it? Reading means it is couple of statements, printf and scanf. In printf, enter a number, it is a question. How to read this number? By using scanf, you can read this number. %d, comma, ampersand number. You successfully read the number. After reading the number, what we have to do? We have to remove the last digit. What is the formula for that? Number equal to number by 10 is the formula. Now, you remove the last digit. Now, print the result. Result equal to %d, comma, number. Now, execute this program. My number is 1546. Now, after removing the last digit, my result is 154. 154. Got it? In this way, we have to remove the last digit. What is the formula for that? Number equal to number by 10. It is the formula. Right. Now, it is the program for this. Write down this program.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Right. Now am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Write a program to read a number, remove the last 2 digits. Then what to do? We have to divide a number with 100. That's it. Now your program is 1470. It is my answer. It is my number. What should be my answer? Lohan? Lohan.
14.
Good. 14. Now got it? You successfully removed the last 2 digits, no? Right.
Yeah.
So in this way, it is, can I give me as homework program? Homework program, is it okay to you? Or can I, right. In 6th program, it is also homework. Write a program to read a number, comma, remove the last 3 digits. Then which modification I have to made here? By 1000, am I right? Now you can remove last 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After removing last 3 digits, your number should be 12. See this. I successfully removed the last 3 digits. Number equal to number by 10. It is the formula to remove the last digit. Number equal to number by 100. It is the formula to remove the last 2 digits. Number equal to number by 1000. It is the formula to remove the last 3 digits. Is it okay to you? Right. Now my next operator name is second operator. It is logical operator. Logical operator. Now do you know what is true? What is false? To manipulate these true and false, we required some tools. Those are called as logical operators. Now what is logical operator? The operators, those are used to manipulate true or false. After manipulating true or false, we will get the answer as a true or false. So it gives result as true or false. True or false. True or false. Right. It works on true or false. It gives the result on true or false. Right. Actually, in programming, these are used to combine the expressions, means conditions. So these are used to combine the conditions. Combine the conditions. Now see, I will write an expression here. Print. I am going to print the result. 10 less than 20. 10 less than 20. Is it true or false? True. And means this is the and symbol. 30 less than 50. It is a condition. It is one more condition. I joined these 2 conditions using AND operator. Now what should be the answer? It is true. It is also true. True and true equal to how much?
True.
True. Now your answer is true. Right. I forgot to print a semicolon here. Execute this program. Right. True. In computer terminology, true means 1, false means 0. True means 1 and false means 0. True. What is the value of true here? 1. What is the value of false here? 0. Right. The logical operators are 3. One is ampersand. It is called as AND operator. Second one is 2 pipe symbols. It is called as OR operator. Third one is exclamation. It is called as not operator. Three types of logical operators are there. Right. You know these operators very well. What are the truth tables of and truth tables of or truth table of not? Do you know or not? Do you know it or not? Right, see this. Here I have to take an expression, first expression. Here I have to take one more expression, expression 2. Here I have to find the result. Now, this is about truth table of and. Now, truth table of and. It is called as A and B and. Now, first expression, it is true. Second expression, it is also true. Third expression, it is false. Fourth one also false. Two truths, two false. Here, write true. Here, write false. Here, write true. Here, write false. What about and? It gives true when both the conditions are true. Am I right?
Yes.
If both are true, then its result is true. Otherwise, its result is false. Is both are true here? No, it is false. Both the expressions are true here? No, then it is false. Both the expressions are true here? No, it is false. Now, it is about the truth table of and. Right? Now, what is the use of and operator here? And means double ampersand. Double ampersand gives true when both the expressions, both the conditions are true. Otherwise, it gives true or false? It gives false. Is it okay? Right. So, write down this logical operators. No, I will give one more example for a truth table of R. Right. Next operation is OR. What is the symbol for R? Two pipe symbols. It gives true when either one expression is true. See here. It gives true when either one expression is true. The operator name is OR. It is true now? No, don't bother about this one. If it is true, then your answer is true. First one is true, then your answer is true. First one is false, then only the second expression will be tested. Otherwise, it won't be tested. Now, second one is true, first one is false. Second one is true. It requires only one is true. So, its answer is true. It is false, it is false. Both are false. So, its answer is false. Now, it gives true when either one condition is true. Otherwise, it gives false. Right? Now, next condition is or condition, not condition, not. What is the use of not? I will explain in table. After that, you can easily understand this. Right. Now it is about truth table of not. Not means exclamation symbol. It is truth table of not. It works on single expression result. First one is true, second one is false. If you put not operator before true, then it becomes false. If you put not operator before false, then it becomes true. Not false equal to true, not to true equal to false. Is it okay? This is about truth tables. Now tell me what is the use of not? Not gives true when the condition is false. If the condition is true, then what is the not operator result? Then it gives false. If the condition is true, then output is false. If the condition is false, then output is true. Is it okay to you? Truth table of and or not? Right. These are very known operators. Write down this. Completed? Right. Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave. If you have any doubt in today's class, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave for today.
Hello, sir, is it last day for demo?
No. Up to Saturday.
Up to Saturday, demos are there.
Lock on. Nice.
Okay. So I want to know about future classes. You'll be giving assignments, homework, and test also.
You asked the question, no? Okay. Actually, Lakhan, if we conduct a test then it will be a waste for one day,
Okay.
right? So I am mostly concentrate on delivering the knowledge. My intention is within 40 days, you should be in a position to write coding. For that, listening is very, very important than the writing. So better to take knowledge from me. You can take your own test. Lot of applications are there in internet. You can take any number of tests. Free tests are there, no?
Okay.
Lot of websites are there. I will, if you want, I will send the details. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. Right. Any doubt?
But there will be homework and practical for coding. No?
Ma Bharati, do you have any doubt?
Hello, sir.
Bharati, tell me, do you have any doubt?
My question is regarding to code practice.
Yes, yes,
Like,
yes.
हमें आपके साथ कोडिंग प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए या आफ्टर लेक्चर वी विल डू दैट वर्क?
You can do one thing. Okay, do you have my mail ID?
नो सर.
Okay, note down this my mail ID. Saheb 10th June at gmail.com. It is my mail ID. Okay. You go practice. If you get any error, then post that screenshot to this one. I will correct it and resend it. Okay.
ओके सर.
Okay, right.
Okay, sir. Hello.
Tell me.
Sir, अभी form one group so that we can study grouping also. Means we can share our doubts and
And do you need WhatsApp group like WhatsApp group?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Actually,
this will be effective for everyone.
Yes, yes,
Because
yes,
everyone can be can ask their doubts and share their doubts also.
Okay, sure. I will try to contact with the organizers and I will make it soon. Okay, na?
Okay.
Okay. Chandrasekhar, any doubt? Tanya Sharma. Vishnu, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Can I leave from the class?
Okay, sir.
Okay, then. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma.